Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Hotels.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Hotels.com, navigate to the website or open the app. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Begin by entering your desired destination in the search bar. Select your check-in and check-out dates for your stay. Choose the number of guests and rooms needed. Click on the search button to view available hotels. Use the filter options to set your budget range. Review the filtered results to find options within your financial limits. Take note of additional fees, such as resort or parking fees, that may apply. Inspect the details of each hotel, focusing on amenities and cancellation policies. Read guest reviews to gauge overall satisfaction with each option. Select your preferred hotel and room type. Review the total price for your stay, ensuring it aligns with your budget. If applicable, apply any special discount codes or promotions. Continue to the payment section once you're satisfied with your choice. Enter your payment information and confirm your booking. You can track your reservation through your account dashboard for easy management. Remember to save any confirmation emails for your records. Following these steps will help you effectively budget your hotel stay with Hotels.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.